Know where your team belongs. Easily create a department list and assign your team to it. To create a new department, navigate the Admin module and select Department under the Team menu. Click on the plus button located on the right bottom side of the screen to add a new department. Add a new department name and its description. Assign users and vendors, if applicable, to the department you have created. Make sure to activate the department before saving the request by switching the Active button. Activating this function means making it ready and live for CRM use. Save once finalized. To modify the details on your department list, click on the Edit button. Edit the details. Click Save to apply the changes. To delete a department, go to the Admin panel. Under the Team settings, click Department. Click the trash bin icon under the Actions column.